Today I'm going to show you how to make some great fire starters out of some stuff you normally throw away and a couple other items you probably have laying around your house. Alright, here's what we need to make these fire starters. These are great. They can be used outside if you're doing a campfire, taking camping, or even if you want to quickly start a fire in a wood stove in your house, or for me, like I do in my workshop here. So let me show you what we do to get these put together. Now as you can see, we have 4 different items. All this is right here, this is dryer lint. Typically, you take this out of your dryer, throw it out. My wife does. I take it right out of the garbage can, she puts it in. Don't tell her. And these toilet paper roll, you could also hold on to paper towel rolls and cut those down into thirds. Have some Vaseline and then some paper towels. So pretty simple process. All we need to do, take some Vaseline, and it's cold. It's cold in my shop right now. Kind of just work these between your fingers and really just coat this all over the dryer lint. If you have one of the tubs of Vaseline, works a little bit better. You can kind of just wipe it through there. So kind of coating this on there. This is messy. It's why I wear rubber gloves. You don't have to, but for me, I don't like to get all the Vaseline off my hands. Sticky mess. Put a little bit more on there. You can use this to start a fire if it's windy, even if it's raining a little bit. So let's take this and stuff this down in there. And then I just like to wrap this up in a paper towel because I'll make a bunch of these at once. It's like this. Just kind of stick that in the end. Stick that right in the end. Boom. Nice self-contained fire starter. Again, you just take a match to that, light that. As soon as that lint catches, that petroleum jelly will start burning. That'll burn for quite a few minutes to get a fire started. Let me show you how it works here. So I have 2 different pieces of lint here. This would just be regular dryer lint, nothing on it, right out of the dryer. Just twisted it up a little bit. And then I have one here that I've coated in a little Vaseline, same thing, twist that out. We're going to light them both so you can see the difference. Watch that one. I mean, that one just goes up. Goes to this one that has the petroleum jelly Vaseline on it. As you can see, they're both burning really well, but this one over here, it's going to burn out a lot faster than this one that's soaked in that Vaseline. And that's what makes it such a great fire starter. It just burns low and slow for a long time so you can really get anything going. And there we go. Now that one's completely extinguished. And this one's still got quite a few minutes to go. You can check out my other video where I use these to start a fire in my workshop. Also in that same video, I'm showing you a better way to start a fire. Most people have been doing it backwards their whole lives. Check it out. Hope you all picked up some good tips and tricks today on how to make a fire starter out of stuff you probably have laying around your house. Thanks for hanging out. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can keep tabs on when my next video comes out.